Hey Scratch, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. Hey, what's up, guys? Today I wanna show you how to add weapon switching and ammo in your top-down shooter. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll add weapon switching. Weapon switching is like we will switch between these guns. Let's duplicate these and make these three. Here you can see. So for now, we can just change colors. So just make a box here and select this. Then or just click on the circle and set the color to say blue, and also for the box, and make this green. So you have three colors: red, blue and green. Name this 1, 2 and 3 so that there's no confusion. So now let's get started with coding. So first of all, make a variable called gun selected. So now we can do like when I receive start, then set gun selected to say 1, and then forever if key say 1 pressed, then also do the same thing, switch to costume 1, then duplicate this for if key 2 pressed, then switch to costume 2. This can be longer if you have multiple, so just remove this and make a block called gun switcher, and then the key with an input, then the costume name and with the costume input means the normal input. Run without screen refresh should be unchecked. Click on OK. So now put this here, and Scratch 3 has a great feature. You can put this inside of the key 1. In Scratch 2 you can't do this. You have to just do the same thing like if and then duplicating. So now this put this costume here, then put this here, key 1 press costume 1, and duplicate this and add as much times you want. I'm adding it 3 times. I have 3 guns. So here we have switching. So let's see if it works. Gun selected is 1. So now it's 1. Now it's 2. Now it's 3. Here you can see now gun selected is 1 and we didn't set the gun selected. So now let's go to our this one, and instead of switch to costume, put a set gun selected to costume. You can change this name to gun near to gun, and OK. Then put the gun and the key is the same thing. Now clear this up and just put here a script, a short thing, forever switch to costume gun selected. So now you will see that you can see this change when I change the gun. So now make this hidden, we don't need to see that. So now you can see the bullets are coming only red, so just make costumes for that. Just select the color of your gun and just fill it in the bullet like this. Same for the green one, and go here and just put your switch to costume gun selected. If you wanna make it better, you can just duplicate this and put it here too if you want, but I don't need this now. So let's now check it out. I should turn off music, it is lot disturbing. So now let's see. So now you can see when I switch gun, the costume is also switched. Now here you can see this is now green. This looks much like the enemies. So you have to change the color to green to yellow, I think. But now green is okay. So now we're gonna add ammo and reloading. So now let's just here you can see the script we made in the starting, like set player ammo to 12, and if mouse is down it will change the player ammo at -1, so it will be 11 and things. and then it will reload if it is 0 or less than 1 or anything you want. So yeah, you can see this is a script. We can use this script to make that. So how we gonna do this? Like, make two lists, like bullets gun for all sprites. So here you can add the number of bullets that default a gun has. The first gun has 12, then the second gun say 24, and then third gun is only 6. So here we have that, and then we can put here bullets left, or just bullets gun left for all sprites. So now here you can add the number of bullets left. So by default it will be 12, 24 and 6 when we set it. So let's just set it. So now put here when I receive start, say set the player ammo to item number gun selected of bullets gun, and you can also set the replace item gun selected of bullets gun left with item gun selected of bullets gun. This is a little confusing, but if you check it better it will be good. And just change it to bullets gun left. So here you can see this, what this does, like the bullets gun this list will have these values forever, and these values will be changing when the player will be shooting. So it will be 11 and 10 if it is shooting. So when the green flag is clicked or when I receive start, it will automatically set it to 12, so the player can shoot, and then automatically it will set whenever the bullets are 0. So this works like that. So now this is a simple script. Then we have this script. Let's join this and remove this set player ammo to 12 and this. So it will set, and then instead of set player ammo to 12, we'll put here item gun selected of bullets gun, and also put this thing replace item gun selected of things here, and just put here a delay of 0.1 second. This does two things good, like if we just put the mouse cursor on this green flag, it won't shoot, and it will take time to set the gun selected to 1, so that would work better, prevent any glitches. So now this should work. Let's see, play and just see this list. Now let's see. So this script is not deducting anything here, not changing anything here. So what we can do like is just change player ammo by -1, and also just put this replace thing here, and instead of gun selected we will use player ammo, put it here and just put it here. So this will replace it, bullets gun left, so it will detect that. So now let's see, or you can just put a small script here, set player ammo to item gun selected of bullets gun left when we switch the gun here. So now this should work. Let's play. Here you can see this is changing, and when I switch the gun, now this is, and the third one like this. So it reloaded, and if I switch back to 1, it shoots and then reloads. So this is working very perfectly, as you can see. So this is working great. So let's just hide these, and now we have a ammo and reloading. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell and hit that like button if you like the video. Thank you.